What up out there, y'all? Got the 08 gsx-r 750 out, man. My girlfriend's bike, we're about to take it and drop it off. She got some new plastics. About to get them joints put on. It's gonna be changing up the whole color of the bike and go get the tank painted to match the plastics. So that's gonna be the objective for the day, man. She about to get right. Says she change the whole bike up. I like this color. I think this right here is the color I'm about to do my bike. Same color how I had my 600. It was this copper orange right here. Like that burnt orange and black. Hey, but she going with a whole total scheme, man. Hey, stay tuned, man, so y'all can see what this thing gonna end up looking like. Let's go. I thought that was gonna be more pink. It looked more red though.
It does look more red. Yeah, I thought it would be red.
That's pretty slick. No, that's the other one. That's the other side of the other one. That's pretty slick, man. That is.
I had to look at them all before I even said anything to them.
That is. I like that color. I guess the red match better now. Since the jig. So yeah, it's gonna be right.
Got the S sticker like that. Oh, it's so pretty.
That is crazy. All right, y'all, here you go, man. That would have final product look like. Hey, this thing turned out so good. That's crazy. And the person that put her plastics on for it painted her rims and painted her gas tank the same purple match right here. I mean, it's so good. It's ready. Hey, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was, man. This joint go hard. That's the same bike right here, though. 2008 gsx-r 750. We just got done riding too. Yeah, I had to let y'all see what it looked like, man. This is the first time really riding it since the plastic's been on it. But hey, let me know what y'all think. And you know what's gonna be next? I'm gonna be changing mines up next here. I might do it like closer to and in the off season when I get a little bit cooler when I don't ride it that much more. So I'm been looking at some plastics now, but here soon I'm gonna be getting some plastics, changing it up. All right, y'all, man. I just want to let y'all see what it looked like though. All put together. Catch y'all on the next one. Go home.